what I'm talking about.
Everybody.
I don't want to be
How
making
we
shit
doing
where
out
it's like,
there?
let's look at us. We fucking dropped the
Ambush,
chinky, you know.
somebody's talking to you in all chat, homie.
Why?
I don't know, somebody's calling you out right now. Saying yo ambush.
How you know my bush baby?
Who looking for
How you
ambush?
know my bush baby.
Yeah, I'm looking for ambush.
You're talking to
I
him.
saw
What do
you on
you
the
want?
plane. So, I have a question. If you thirst me, can you please eat me out?
No matter what.
Eat you out?
Eat that ass first, bro. Don't you go first.
I got a question for you. You like grape jelly or syrup? Because right before I thirst you, I'm going to be teabagging your ass.
You don't have somebody bug crack, boy. Get your ass OT.
The name is the name is Swags, okay? Makes me
What?
good.
Fucking right in
Swags.
the ass, boy.
Say it louder. I can't hear you. I'm sorry. There's someone else talking. Very, very rude. Swag? Alright, I got you, swag.
Swag, swag, balls.
I'm gonna fucking teabag this shit out there, motherfucker.
You feel like he thirst me and eat me out.
Look, it's already happening, bro. Dirty birds. I got a motherfucker asking me to eat him out after I thirst him. They already know what's going on.
That motherfucker, boy.
I'm already in the mood. Let's do it. This is it. Oh, hello, everybody.
Yep.
Hello, everybody. Welcome to the party.
Too bad I just found an AK.
Oh, I got a revolver, I guess.
Ain't no motherfucker. Bitch, you dog.
Fuck everybody at?
I'm gonna get that motherfucker.
They on the
with
roof,
DP
bro.
upstairs.
Oh, no, no, no. You shall not. Dude, there was like 3 guys that landed here. Where the fuck they at?
They next door.
Upstairs here.
Yeah. I am fucking going, bro. Where's he at?
This dude's running over here.
Just careful. There's guys in this fucking garage house.
Garage house, he ran into it.
Yeah, there's already. That's where his team's at.
Alright, should we back up and go the other direction?
Yeah, let's get down and get looted.
Yeah, let's head back west, guys. And we're gonna go down. Oh, right here, right here.
Oh, shit.
More inside here.
Running
How you? Get down. Sit down. Sit down. Sit.
Now it's on. I got the M762, boys.
Go! Oh, this is nuts.
I see him out there. 85. Ran into that single blue stack out there.
Yeah, they're pushing back. They all landed on top of me and fucking dipped because they landed on top of the roof. And then they fucking ran off. I thought they were going to go inside, but they didn't. Oh, running across the
Enemies
road.
ahead.
Not anymore. Thirsted me!
Where's that guy?
I don't know. Oh, I completely forgot all about that. He'll know. That's all that matters.
These guys are real. H Fox a lot over here by me.
Yeah. I see him running.
I see him.
He's
Okay,
going
guys,
to the blue
blue
house.
stack there.
Yeah.
Alright, I'm pushing up.
Hold on.
Let's go, boys. Let's get litty.
We got 1 mag left.
Yeah, we gotta get these dudes and put them on their asses. Their ammo, too. Oh, Bacon wants in on the next one.
Bacon! Bacon's down on the Dirty Birds.
You ever met a dirty bird that like bacon?
Man, you gonna learn today.
Take a double barrel. Like me a double barrel.
You're up
3
there.
times. Go.
2 stack here.
Yeah.
Enemies ahead.
Where I go, there ain't no.
It's lit. lit.
He's lit as fuck.
Ooh.
Got one on the roof still.
Shit, Lord. Smart move.
Wish I had one of them.
Meds.
Wish I had one of them things.
Yeah, keep their heads pinned down.
Enemies ahead.
Keep them pinned down over there, too. About to get up to this, dude. Better content, boys.
Let's go.
Yeah.
Stairs, watch the stairs one.
Fuck.
Where did he go?
He's downstairs.
He ran down past me.
Enemies
Jumping out
ahead.
the window right here. Jumped out.
I'm almost out of ammo. He's right here.
How are you out right there, dude? How was he there? Holy fuck.
Jump out.
Footsteps.
Grab the ledge.
It's a bot.
Give me the ammo. Give me the ammo. You son of a
Eat
bitch.
my ass.
I know,
Damn
I'm
y'all.
almost out.
Eat
too.
my ass.
Was
God
that,
damn
was
it.
that any of them? We didn't
I don't know. I never check.
I got
Fuck
Pingu.
you.
4x scope over here.
I got supplies.
Oh yeah.
Goddamn bullets.
Come on, more. More. I need more fucking people to run in here.
Yeah, that was fun.
Well, at least I got my orange shotgun still. I need it.
Oh yeah. Here we go.
That way.
Sounds like a bot.
I got supplies.
It is a bot.
I got some.
What's up, everybody, and welcome to the first official episode of the Dirty Birds Esports Show, the dumpster fire of YouTube. I'm your co-host, Ambush. We're going to be doing a lot more fun videos in the near future. We have a lot of really cool planned episodes I think y'all are going to enjoy. You know, we're going to be bridge camping. We're going to be hot dropping. We're going to be using stupid weapons. We're going to be ambushing people because that's what I like to do most because we're the Dirty Birds. I'm going to be joined by my co-host, Moldy, who's going to be handling our live stream along with an assortment of other special guests, including OT Lord, the Heart Attack on a Strip, Mr. Bacon, who joins us from the War Criminals, plus an assortment of other special guests, and we'll be picking up a rando or two and dicking with them kind of hard, maybe throw a grenade up their ass. I don't know. We're the Dirty Birds. This is what we do, but hit that subscribe button. We plan on coming at y'all once, maybe twice a week, and I'm downloading these videos at 1080p, so if it's looking like a Taliban video from the 90s, go ahead and get your YouTube setting, crank that shit up. It'll be looking like Pornhub Prime, but, the rest of this video, I kind of lost the audio. I don't know what happened. I fucked up. It's my bag. Quit yelling at me. But still a great match. We ended up chicken dinner, and, we appreciate any support we can get, any comments, any, just tell us fuck off, whatever, it's fine. We're just trying to get this channel going, so, like I said, hit that subscribe button, and I'll try to keep y'all posted on what's going on in the rest of the video. So, Dirty Birds, we gotta get this rule, like, you shoot up a flare, you shoot up 2 flares. Now you're just kind of being greedy, and I don't think we're gonna allow that, so, usually whenever we see 2 flares go up, we're pushing that. And, we kind of already had an assumption that these guys were shooting them up off top of the Big Titty Mountain over by Georgia Pool, because, well, they come down a little faster when you're up there, but the problem is there's no cover. These boys are in for a real treat as we get up there. So it's about this time that old OT Lord starts Jack John about something about her. Oh shit! Yeah, apparently he threw a grenade, dunked it right off the top of Moldy's head. I took it right in the pecker, but that's alright. He's a good Samaritan. He came right to me and got me picked back up. These guys start. Oh shit! There's another nade. Time to move. And this other guy here, he's a complete rando. We've never played with him before in our lives, and I'll swear to it in court, but I don't know how the fuck he crawled all the way back over to me, but I'll go ahead and pick him back up. I'd like to be getting in the fight right about now, but, you know, good guy. Got a little TPP peeking. I'm not shameless. Boomsticks. The goddamn grenades flying through the air like ballerinas. And about right this time we start talking about making a nice little rotation. I've kind of already seen that guy moving left up here behind this big rock. Or kind of not real. Yeah, there they are. Alright, got one more to the right. Just kind of getting, alright, Lord's getting in their faces. I'm going to push up while he's engaged. Go ahead and fucking. That guy had an M2 49. He was absolutely just magged up in that bitch. And then I'm going to push this knock because I know they're coming. Dead. They're all dead. They're all dead. Yeah, this guy had DP. M4, not a bad loadout. But this greedy, look at this greedy fucking asshole. AWM and the M249. Oh, they're pachinky, because, you know, God knows there's somebody camping in there. Gonna do a quick little vehicle swap. Not even worried. Just a quick little vehicle swap. Start hearing some tire treads. And don't let him run you over. Kaboom! Shit. So the thing about right here is when we start figuring out that these guys might have fallen off their rock into the water, or at least down off the coast there. And I think we throw a little smoke. I ended up seeing like just a little tippy top of somebody's head over there. Catch this guy. Good night. See you later. Bye bye. Back to the lobby. You don't want me with the boomstick. Yeah, we definitely, judging by the lack of dude shooting at us over here, that kind of make the decision that, yeah, they probably fell in the water. I think we go ahead and make this, because there was 3 of them, and here shortly, I think only one guy, this last guy here, you see him right there, he's down, but he's, oh, I missed my shot, that's fine. Wasn't really hanging out there to fucking. Keep seeing him trying to work his way down the coast here. Didn't really make any moves myself because really only seen the one guy. Kaboosh! This right about here, I was like, ah, we're fucked. See this Jeep roll through. I think he starts dinking shots at me. Somehow that Jeep just kept on going. Yeah, look at him going up there on the hill. He did not want any of that. They probably would have had a better time if they would have just hit that compound. Get to the end right here. I'm like, oh my god, look at these guys leaving from the drop over here. Not even gonna heal up. Kadoosh. That should have been a knock, but whatever. Kadoosh, miss, whatever. This guy. Yeah. I'll miss him. Yeah, that's not plenty. Pushing down into these houses, clearing them out real quick. I don't know what that guy thought he was going to be doing. My level 1 helmet. A little advice on your sniping here. You know, you can usually kind of shoot through the foliage and the trees. This guy's trying to use the tops of the trees as cover. Kind of get a, if you can follow through on them, it's really nice. You can just kind of pop them through. Another little tip I usually do is most people are right hand dominant, so they kind of naturally always want to peek the right side of the tree, which is your left side. So I usually always kind of wait for them to peek left, my left, their right, that kind of thing. Rarely get somebody that always peeking right. It's usually most people peek left. That's just my opinion. And he does, and he pays for it. Let him mark it up again where I knocked him. That way everybody can kind of, if anybody's got a different angle, they can see. I don't know, was that a nade or I don't know what the hell that was, just flying right there hitting the wall. So we got shots coming in all around us. We got these two guys kind of behind the sniper tower. There's I think 2 more guys, maybe 1 more up there where the bullets were hitting up on top of the hill. And then we got the guy coming off the coast. He ended up getting back up. His rest of his squad died. I think they couldn't figure out how to get back up, and they died in zone. But he's rotating in here from the right. They're trying to mark him right there. Kind of go back around. Never get a good look, but I kind of take a glimpse of this guy running right here. Coming, kind of looking like he's coming in and out of the blue. I don't even really try. I just try to go for a body shot. I know he's going to be weak coming out of the blue. I'm not going to really try to go for a headshot. Just go for center or mass. Just kind of follow him up. Now, I'm telling him there's 2 guys left. They got to be over here. I thought this guy was a knock. But, oh, sir. That's a chicken dinner. Alright, well, I'm Ambush. Thanks for watching, and check us out next week. Bye.